is Umi Park. I'm a real estate agent in the Bay Area. We just sold this house at a record-breaking price, and then let me show you how we did it. The feature of this house is just this gorgeous high ceilings and then big windows bring a lot of natural light into the house. And then we wanted to emphasize that with very light wall colors and rich floors. So we painted the cabinet in white color and then complemented with this new beautiful countertop. Also the backsplash really reflects the light, so it is very simple but very elegant. When I first came to this house was in an original state, no upgrades whatsoever. But I saw the huge potential of this place, so I just suggested those simple renovation can make a huge difference. So this is what we did. Thanks for joining me on this tour. My name is Umi Park. I'm here to help you with your real estate needs. Have a wonderful day.